Is it time to buy or sell Nike stock? In this video, we will explore Nike in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025. And now, we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to miss any essential updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 20th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Nike as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -8.1. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -22.66%. This equates to an average loss of -2.06% per day, since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 6.76% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from a decline of 6.76% to an increase of 32.77%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of -21.57%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decline of 20.86% and an increase of 10.64% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of $43.99 to $61.49. Our latest daily update for Nike includes the headline, Nike stock price took a fall of 14.44% on Thursday. The Nike stock price fell by 14.44% on the last day, Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, from $64.96 to $55.58. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.87%, with a day low at $55.43 and a day high of $58.68. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 22.66% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 60 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may indicate an early warning, and the risk is expected to rise slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 68 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $3.8 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock was $98.04, while the lowest price was $55.43. Currently, the price is 43.31%, or $42.46, below the 52-week high, and 68.97%, or $123.52, below the all-time high on the 5th of November, 2021, when the price reached $179.10. Nike stock has come under significant pressure following President Trump's recent tariffs, with shares sinking to a 6-year low. This blanket tariff of 10% on global imports and heightened rates on major trading partners has sent ripples through the footwear sector, impacting not just Nike, but also competitors like Adidas and Puma. As a result, the stock is experiencing notable selling pressure, reflecting broader concerns about profitability and future sales amid increased costs. Nike's management has indicated that a turnaround may take longer than anticipated, further complicating investor sentiment. With revenue reported down 9% year-over-year, this tariff news exacerbates existing challenges in the company's financial performance. The immediate impact on Nike's stock is reflected in today's downturn and could signal heightened volatility in the short term. In the long term, while fears may create buy-low opportunities for seasoned investors, the sustainability of Nike's growth will heavily depend on its ability to navigate higher tariffs and external economic factors. The overall market's reaction to these tariffs may lead to increased scrutiny on Nike's cost structure and sourcing strategies, with analysts and investors closely monitoring adjustments the company makes to mitigate these financial pressures. As the economic climate evolves, Nike's resilience will be tested, shaping its stock trajectory moving forward. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 3rd of February, 2025, it was reported that BMO Capital assigned NKE an outperform rating accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler rated NKE as overweight with an upgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned NKE a sector perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein rated NKE as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned NKE a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Nike stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nike. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Nike stock is showing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at the levels of $63.37 and $72.93. A breakout above either of these thresholds would generate buy signals. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 25, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 31.99%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, warranting closer observation of the stock. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 28 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a buy 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a sell 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Nike. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the upcoming days. This stock is expected to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.26 between its high and low points, representing a change of 5.87%. In the last week, the stock showed an average daily volatility of 3.44%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nike, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, often found in companies with long histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 26th of June, 2025. Analysts are estimating earnings of 11 cents per share. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nike. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nike is at $67.39. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume beneath this level, which suggests that the stock might experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such scenarios. The combined average rating for Nike from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On February 14, 2025, Mark G. Parker conducted an insider purchase of 110,000 shares of Class B common stock. On February 14, 2025, Mark G. Parker conducted an insider sale of 11,295 shares of Class B common stock. On February 14, 2025, Mark G. Parker conducted another insider sale of 110,000 shares of Class B common stock. On February 14, 2025, Mark G. Parker conducted an insider sale of 110,000 shares of a non-qualified stock option, which is a right to buy. On February 13, 2025, Robert Leinwand conducted an insider sale of 4,506 shares of Class B common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 6.156. Overall, insiders purchased 9,241,630 shares and sold 8,206,802 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Nike stock a good buy? Nike is currently showing several negative signals and remains within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will continue to be weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 4th of April, we expect Nike to open higher by 98 cents, starting at $56.56. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please leave a comment below and share your insights. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.